Gerade sind wir in der Schweiz, in Zürich.
Helping to understand the lighting quality as one whole.
Also wir sind gerade jetzt gekommen einfach und
We've come to present OMS Lighting to architects, lighting designers and electricians. We like to present information and give an insight to our work with LQS, also known as Lighting Quality Standard. For us, LQS is a new philosophy which covers the measurement of lighting situations in its entirety, not just to measure lamps. We use the lighting components from the real world.
Ich möchte alle nochmal recht herzlich begrüßen.
Welcome to our seminar aboard the OMS Lighting Truck. It's a special one-day event. Thanks to OMS and their crew for visiting us here in Switzerland. The presentation is in two parts. The first part is a presentation and a seminar here. The second part will be next door aboard the lighting truck. Then we go to the other side to see the newest technology from OMS and how to measure lighting with LQS.
Wollen wir noch eine sehr wichtige Sache präsentieren und das ist jetzt unser LQS-System, der wir in den letzten
Let us talk about the LQS measurement philosophy. It's about a practical method to measure lighting with all its characteristics.
Der soll uns ermöglichen, die ganze Beleuchtungsanlagen zu bewerten.
Es ist einfach sehr, in der kurzen Zeit sehr viel innovatives neues Zeug auf uns.
We obtain a lot of good information in a small amount of time. You virtually become an engineer by the end of the seminar.
Kommt mit den Sachen.
Also hier können Sie dann sehen, ganz unten, dass so eine...
In this installation you will see various parameters which have a direct influence on the environment. If you change any of these parameters, the output changes as well.
Also diese Qualität in diese Anlage beeinflussen.
Was für mich einfach neu ist, dass man...
The measurement with the OMS software is practical and new to us. It shows direct changes in lighting for our clients. For us, speaking from a sales department perspective, this is great news for our clients. None of our competitors have such a system.
Jetzt kommen wir dazu, da setzen wir einen Tageslichtsensor in diesen Raum.
Here in this room, we're setting a daylight sensor. In a few seconds you will see how the whole scenery changes. We can see that the original installation has about 1080 kilowatt per year of consumption. Now we can see that we have nearly half the energy consumption by simply using a daylight sensor. You can also view the function of the sensor by means of a graphical display.
Grafisch einfach sehen. Das bedeutet, man kann in grafischer Form sehen, wie sich das Tageslicht eigentlich oder das künstliche Licht einfach ändert wird in den Raum.
Sehen Sie, heute wir haben viele Methoden, LED zu kontrollieren.
We have several methods to controlling lighting with DALI, KLX, DMX, etc. But with the OMS method, we can also analyze the whole installation very quickly. OMS is nearer to their clients with this LQS system. That is excellent. I had a 3-hour journey by car to get here.
Also vor allem die Programme, die neuen, die sie haben, sind sehr interessant.
The software program is very interesting. We will definitely have a look at it on the internet and we will definitely use it for our customers.
Ja, es ist sicher interessant, dass ich da war.
In LED-Technologie wird natürlich in den nächsten Jahren...
The LED technology will be the number one in lighting for the next, let's say, 4 years. For us it's very important to have a partner for this special technology. The ones who are not in this game or like to wait, they will have their problems in marketing and sales in 4 to 5 years.
...am Markt noch zu bestehen.